and all of that. So lockdown was top of our mind. And what better to do in a lockdown than share our photographs of nature and whatever it is that we have, views from home.
Oh,
Cool.
nice.
Good.
So almost so all the shots that all the photographs that I'll show you, I've not had time to sort of contextualize and put that in a proper sequence and order. But
Yeah,
all the
right.
photographs that I'll share with you today are taken from home.
Wow.
Wow.
But
That
It's
is
a
none of
nice
them
theme.
but none of them show the home.
Okay.
So they're all outdoor shots, but
Looking
taken
out.
from.
cool. Nice.
Cool. So you do a lot of photography.
But as I said, it's on an iPhone 6.
That's
so,
fine. They are very good these
So,
days. Yeah.
so clarity is poor, and if I zoom in to show you some details, you'll see a very blurred image.
That's all fine. We just need. We already like your idea and story, so.
Yeah. So
On this Zoom call, we are used to seeing blurred images.
It's already zoomed, so you don't need to zoom it again.
now,
Zoom
how
conference,
do I share my screen?
Oh yeah, there should be a button there to say like share screen, and
Yeah,
let
when
me
I
make
do that,
sure
it says
that it is not.
It says host disabled.
It
Oh, I
says
see.
host
Just-
disabled.
Just
Yeah,
click
yeah,
that
I
and it
know, it
works.
just defaults that. So I just started it. Now you should be able to do it.
Okay. Now what do I do?
Topmost left screen is what you share.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Perfect.
You can see.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, not that.
That's beautiful.
Okay. Now this is not a view from home. I can tell you,
Ah,
but this is a segue from the talk that Sujata and Ramesh gave. This is a view of Mount Everest,
Wow.
Wow.
which
Hey,
took
we
on our
don't
flight-
see the
which
full
we took
screen
from
though.
our
We are not
flight.
seeing it.
Avi, it is all the icons. Can you click on it?
If you have two screens, it might be on your other screen.
yeah, yeah.
You can't see it?
No, it's we are seeing small icons.
We see
No,
see
you need to share your monitor screen.
File manager is being seen.
Not this.
Wait, one.
Now correct. Click on that.
Now the cursor has come.
Yeah.
You can see it.
No, click.
not yet.
Double click.
Double open the
Make
file.
it big.
Your cursor is on that, but not open, right?
Has it opened on a different monitor?
Because I can see it.
Okay. So maybe you need to share a different screen. Like when you open, it might ask you which screen to share.
Because let me try slide.
Or you move it. Move your photo to this other screen.
Can you see it now?
Where you're.
No.
Okay. Then
Still seeing your file manager.
Right. Do you have file manager open in another window?
1 minute.
I think in Zoom you've shared only maybe in browser rather than your screen.
Yeah. Those options are confusing.
Oh, okay. Then let me go to Zoom.
Yeah. Or you can start again and.
Yeah, go to Zoom and choose the top left icon that it gives you, and that's your full screen.
Yeah, you can exit maybe the stop sharing and then do it again.
Okay, let
Yeah.
me do that. Okay. Now I can see you all.
Yeah.
Now what?
Share screen again.
Yeah, no, 1 minute. Before
On the
I do
left,
that,
yeah. For me, it comes in the bottom, like, actually, so which is fine. The placement could be different.
let me do share screen. Okay.
And then whichever is your desktop.
Yeah.
Desktop.
Not the
Yeah.
screen, is it?
No, share screen, and then it will give you an option. Pick the desktop. Share what? Desktop.
Okay, let me see whether that comes.
Yeah, they have added this.
Yes, has started. Okay.
Anything?
Okay, now double click on the Mount Everest.
Anything?
Yep.
Now
Yeah.
we got it.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
Now we got it.
Okay. So as you can see, I'm a technologically impaired, challenged person. But
We all are.
Hey, that's okay. Indians provide good IT support online.
but मेरा BT है, IT नहीं है.
नहीं वो CEO होने का कारण you always have help, right? So
Okay, so you can see the screen now.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this is
Yes.
just a segue from the previous talks about Mount Everest and all that. So I said this is something I wanted to give as an example of what I'm not going to share with you.
But this
let
is
me-
photo you have taken?
Yeah, this is the photo I've taken from the airplane when we were flying from Delhi to Bhutan.
Oh,
Wow.
Nice.
So this is a photo of Mount Everest, but of course, you see K2 and you see something, not K2, I think one or two other very high peaks which are very
Yeah.
close to
Makalu.
Everest.
Makalu is close by, right?
So the pilot keeps announcing on your left is this, on your left is this. So that's how we notice and we do it.
That's a
Now
nice.
let me see how I move forward.
Yeah, it's
Boss,
similar
thank
to
you
what
for
Sujata.
sharing.
Yeah.
This
Okay,
is the
okay.
this is the boss. This is the closest I'm going to come to mountaineering.
Okay. So now begins my lockdown presentation.
All right.
So as you can see, we start the day in the morning, and at dawn. I mean, we start this presentation at dawn in the morning from our home, and this is the view from inside our house, as we see through the curtain before we
So
draw the. This is
house
facing
faces
east.
This is beautiful, yeah.
Yeah.
This is
Okay,
Hey,
this
boss.
is sunrise. This is the sunrise.
Boss,
Yeah.
you need to show a picture from 5 a.m. because that's your official waking time.
The bags. If you have the power, you can control the
He
sun.
was waiting from 5 a.m. to catch the sunrise.
You can
But is there like a tree? Like what exactly? Like the sun is coming through some tree? The
Yeah,
rays?
there are some
So I'll show you. There are trees. Our house
Okay.
is surrounded by trees.
Oh,
Yeah, and
nice.
these rays are filtered through the trees and the curtain.
curtain.
Mhm. Cool. Very nice effect.
This is the view of the sunrise without the curtain.
Wow.
nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
You live in a
Okay.
very beautiful home and location.
Yeah.
And this only talks about the surroundings, not the home.
Yeah, but you chose a very nice. Is it like on the hill or something? Like little bit higher?
No. This house is near Whitefield, a place,
Okay.
a suburb of Bangalore.
Okay. But
And,
there are not
if
many
you-
houses around, right?
No, there are. I mean, it is.
Behind, so this is actually like behind our house. So behind there are
Achha.
like mostly fields. Yeah, right
Mhm.
now there's no construction,
Yeah.
but
But we are very close to the International Tech Park.
Achha.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like the big city Bangalore.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah.
This is another view of the sunrise taken from our house.
Hmm.
Nice.
And there, if you look down, you will see open ground. Those are actually fields. So during the season, they grow different kinds of either flowers or crops or fruits or vegetables or whatever.
Wow.
Okay.
roses and potatoes.
Mm.
Mhm.
And this is the water body behind in the same area, which the farmers use for watering their plants. They collect water from a source and collect it in this pond. And this is the morning sun reflecting in that pond.
Mm.
So you must be getting a lot of birds here in this pond.
I'm coming to that.
Okay. Sorry.
But not in the pond. I'm coming to that much closer home. So this
Okay.
pond, this view is just across. I've taken this from the first floor of our house,
Mm.
and so you can see it. So this is not actually in our compound. This is just across
Across the road.
across the compound.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now this is in our compound. Now we come
Wow.
into our house.
Nice.
Similar.
Okay, I start with the. I sequence this into flora and fauna. So I start with flora.
I
Oh,
see.
beautiful.
So we
Beautiful.
start
Very
with,
This is really nice.
Beautiful.
so we start with the obvious.
Bougainvillea.
What grows plentiful in Bangalore, grows almost wild in Bangalore is the bougainvillea, of course.
Mm.
Mm. But like you
So,
have more flowers than leaves.
yeah, so this is a hybrid variety of bougainvillea which has pink and white flowers on the same plant.
On the
Oh,
same
is
plant.
it? On the
Really?
Yeah, this is the same tree.
Lovely.
This
Wow.
is one,
Lovely.
and this is of course just the white bougainvillea.
Mm.
Mm.
So you can see the difference. This is what the multi sort of two in one plant has, and this is the single one. We also have other colors of bougainvillea growing, but I have not shared that with you. We have other colors as well.
Okay.
Then this is the common hibiscus shoe flower,
Yeah.
which you are all familiar
Yeah.
with.
Yeah.
This is another variant of the shoe flower, different from the earlier one.
Mm.
A
Slightly
different species of
orangish.
shoe.
Mm.
Yeah. This is another variant of the shoe flower. This is called what is this
Double.
called? Double shoe
Double.
flower or something.
Double. Yeah.
Shoe
Yeah,
flower
it's
or
all
something.
thicker with multiple layers.
Mm.
Yeah. So this is all within our compound. This is all grown in our compound.
Oh, very beautiful.
Then of course we have
I don't know the names.
Dahlias.
Okay. Yeah, you have to tell us. Somebody else has to tell us.
I think
No, I
that's a
have the name.
dahlia, right?
Yeah.
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 no, this is calendula.
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 Calendula is the probably
Yeah, I
the-
mean, it's just like our Jendu, like this
Ah,
thing, right?
that
It's very
family.
similar to the gold, this thing.
Yeah.
Calendula. Rose, plumeria, morning glory, lily.
Go back to that.
So then
Mm.
this is
This is a Portulaca, but I
Yeah.
don't know the names.
Mm.
okay. I can tell you the
No,
name.
it's all right.
Okay, the name is Portulaca moss. It is called a moss rose.
They can
Mm. Portulaca.
Then this is plumeria, I think. No.
Nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice.
Boss, you
The
can
white
see the
flower.
name in the top left.
Yeah. So
go
this.
where?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's also called bridal.
Hey, boss. Hey, boss,
Ah.
on the bottom right, you can maximize the screen.
Oh, okay.
Then you won't see the name.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah,
Nobody
that's
wants
okay.
to-
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Rose by any other name.
And of course, AC and Nandita are there to tell us the names.
And of course, right now, when you asked us to maximize, we can only see the slide. We can't see you all.
That's okay.
Oh, okay.
We are
That's
half
okay.
as beautiful.
Yeah.
We can see you.
Yeah. Then
Morning
this is
glory.
this is a creeper, morning
yeah,
glory.
Morning glory family.
Mm.
Oh, wow.
That blue is beautiful.
This is called a spider lily.
Oh,
Yeah.
this smells beautiful.
Mm.
Correct.
Very
Yeah,
nice fragrance.
yeah.
Lily.
I haven't
This is
seen
another
these
variety
flowers
of
for a
lily.
long time.
Yeah. Indian
This is a-
flowers. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
This is another variety of lily called Zephyranthus is the botanical name. It's called rain lily or something like that.
Yeah, I think the name still counts when you start it on the left. So I
Yeah,
could see
yeah.
Rain Lily. Yeah. And
And-
when are these like? What is the season like when they're flowering?
Mostly they flower post monsoon, summer and then
Okay.
post monsoon.
So right, not
But some
not
of them
now.
are. Some of these are now they are flowering.
Now they are flowering.
Even this one is,
Almost all of these are flowering right
Even
now.
this one is
Ah, very
flowering.
beautiful.
Wow.
That's why I said it's the lockdown photos.
Ah,
Wow.
So
This-
I've shown you are taken in the last 2 months.
oh,
Wow.
okay. Wow.
Oh, so they don't need the rainy season to start or something.
No. Of course, we water the plants.
Mm.
Oh.
yeah, it's generally the spring.
There are one or
starts-
two which come out only in the monsoon. We'll show you that. It goes
Mm.
underground before, and only when it comes.
So this plant is called, I think, clematis
Mm.
or something. It has a light, fragrant smell.
Yeah,
Mm.
It's
Yeah,
a four-leaf
and,
clover.
like jasmine.
Yeah, this is heliconia.
Mm.
Oh my goodness.
That's
So
a
this is
flower?
the-
Yeah.
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 Wow.
And actually, this time only one has come, but usually there are like bunches of them that come.
Wow.
Wow.
So far, only one has come. I'm sure as the season progresses, more will show up.
Flower is just like a colored leaf.
Mm.
Yeah.
Look at this.
So this is
Oh,
it's called the fireball lily or football lily, and this comes up only once the rain comes.
Mm.
These flowers suddenly spring up,
Okay.
and once it stops raining, you don't even see the leaf. There's no trace of this.
Like it's like it vanishes and
It
then
just
you don't even
vanishes.
know it's there.
And again, next season, I mean, when it rains, it comes
Yeah.
up.
Wow. I'm
So it has a
seeing this
bulb?
flower. Yeah.
Does it have
yeah,
bulb underneath?
Bulb. Yeah. I'm seeing this for
Yeah.
the first time after I left India, probably.
There are a couple of better pictures.
Yeah.
Of this. This is how it.
This is how it
yeah.
looks.
Someone in NCL used to get this.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
What is it called? Tiger lily.
No.
Football
Faida.
lily.
So this
or,
is
fireball.
lily, football lily.
Mm.
So this, as Nandita said, comes in the monsoon, and then when we say it vanishes, it's not just the flower that vanishes. We can't even see the plant.
Yeah, there's no trace of the
There's
plant.
no trace of the plant.
Hmm.
This goes underground. It remains underground.
Wow. That's mystic.
Oh, see these lily.
These are again another.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Amaryllis. It's a Bellaclona lily. It's again a type of lily.
Belladonna. Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
growing in a pot.
Mm.
Right now we're growing it in a pot, but we will normally what we do is, because this needs protection from the sun.
Mm. Mm.
Then now we move from flowers to the
Veggies.
veggies.
Wow. See this?
Okay, so
Spinach or what?
yeah,
Spinach.
spinach, what grows in our garden.
Oh,
Wow.
nice.
This is
Lot of it.
lettuce,
Yeah,
This is?
some kind of
It's
lettuce.
some
or
kind of lettuce.
Salad leaves. or
Yeah.
something.
Mm.
Romaine lettuce variation.
yeah.
Mm.
This is, of course, celery.
This is celery.
Cilantro, yeah, or kothimir.
Cilantro.
No,
Celery.
celery.
Oh, celery.
Not
Yeah.
kothimir.
Cilantro is like our kothimir.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah, no, this
Looks
is celery.
similar.
Yeah. This is tomato.
Mm.
Wow.
Wow.
Obvious.
Yeah.
These are cherry tomatoes.
Nice.
Smaller ones.
Very healthy plant. So many tomatoes.
Mm.
This is corn.
Arey wah.
Wow. Wow.
Makka.
Oh,
It's not that we have corn fields, okay? We've just got like 2-3 plants of this type, 2-3 plants of the other type, like
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
We are not farmers who are growing this.
Yeah.
So is the soil fertile or do you need to put fertilizer or?
We need to put fertilizer. We use mostly use vermicompost, but I also make my own compost. But
Oh, nice.
what I make at home is probably not sufficient. It's okay enough for the pots.
Mm.
So for this space, we usually use either manure like dung, cow dung, or whatever, or vermicompost.
And it's all organic. We don't use any pesticide or any chemicals.
Mm.
Okay.
Nice.
In the entire garden, we don't
use,
use anything.
Mm.
Do you use chai ki patti?
Well, all that goes in the
That
compost.
goes in the compost. when I
Not
make my
directly, we don't
compost.
use.
It's good to use that, is it, directly?
Yeah.
Directly?
I don't know.
Yeah,
For
yeah. I
some
put them on the roses. So it's
Yeah.
helpful.
In India, people used to use eggshells on roses, remember?
Yeah, I put eggshells and all that in my pots.
What does it do?
Calcium, I think.
Calcium.
Oh.
Calcium.
Okay.
Mm.
Actually, when I did some research on this, there are different types of soils, clayey soils, loamy soils,
Mm.
all of that. We haven't had time to,
Mm.
sit and do all of that.
Mm. Wow, look at that. Look
This
at
is
the
cauliflower.
Amazing.
Mm.
This is eggplant or brinjal,
Yeah.
Bengal.
Mm.
bengal.
Hey, you have a green thumb.
These are cherry.
Wild cherries.
These are wild
Arey wah.
cherries.
Kya
Oh,
baat hai?
nice. Wow.
Wild, so
Wow.
you can't consume them?
Yeah, they are
They're
edible,
edible, but
but
very
not so
sour.
tasty.
Hmm.
Very sour. But
So do birds come to eat them?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
squirrels also.
Okay.
Mm.
In fact, we get a lot of these baingans and all eaten away by these squirrels
Yeah.
and other things.
Ah.
Yeah, sometimes I put like
Yeah.
plastic bags or something so they don't eat that. Yeah.
Oh, oh. Um,
So this is a photograph of an almond tree in our backyard,
Mm.
Hmm.
Mm.
and it's been growing for about now 6 years,
Mm.
and we've never had an almond fruit until the lockdown.
Arey, that is
And,
cool.
and this is what it looks like.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
I had never seen this fruit at all in my life.
So this
Yeah.
is badam. This is
Hmm.
badam.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
Wow.
Very nice. I
It
know some
started.
trees take 5-6 years to get
Yeah,
fruit.
yeah. So this is another view of that of a different badam from the same tree.
Hmm.
So right now it's not like many badams. There are just a handful of them. I'm hoping it flourishes over time.
Mm.
So
Yeah,
now we
that's
move. Now we will move from these fruits and vegetables. We'll transition into the fauna. So obviously we start with insects and then move to higher order animals. And we will not show you humans because you're not going to see pictures of us.
we are seeing you in the Zoom. That's fine.
Absolutely. So we have of course
we don't know what this is.
we don't know which bee this is. We've hunted for this in Google. We've looked for the identification of this. We've not come across any bee which has wings like this.
We don't
Hey,
even know.
How
God,
big
you
is
are.
it?
This is
It's
an iPhone photo?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
This is
It's from very
super.
close.
it's from very
Wow.
close.
Name it.
Wow.
Is
Hey,
it a
Arun.
bee or is it a moth like a butterfly?
I
No.
don't know.
I don't know. I thought it was a bee because I remember there were many of these. I just clicked one, and we have 2 or 3 beehives on the tree above our house.
Oh.
Hey, Ganj, hey, Arun, boss, send this photo to us. Ganj and me know somebody who is an insect
Mm.
specialist, may be able to help.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Sure.
No, I
Sure.
thought you guys are on to all flying things, including.
By the way, that insect specialist Daddy's talking about is Gus.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Gaurav.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you guys know him. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Of course, I know
I
Gus.
didn't know
This
that.
could be a wasp, not a bee.
Yeah, it could be
Could
anything
be, could
because
be.
we don't know what it is. We just assumed it's a bee because we have some beehives.
We have a couple of beehives, above our thing, and every year they rejuvenate. Suddenly,
Oh.
the beehives will vanish along with the beehive,
Mm.
and then the new ones keep coming.
Mm.
This is a dragonfly, of course.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey,
I
boss,
can't
can
believe,
you?
I can't believe you got it on iPhone 6. It's really amazing.
Yeah. It is just
As
amazing.
I said, I'm technological challenge. We don't upgrade our phones. My phone is at least now 5 years old.
Wow.
Wow.
Hey, boss, can you go back to that previous moth pic or bee? Okay, just took a picture. Thanks.
Okay, next.
Okay,
Yeah,
shall I move?
yeah.
Yeah, move.
So this was the dragonfly.
Nice.
This was the same dragonfly from a different angle.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. These are great photos, right?
I know we don't normally see them hanging like this.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Actually, this is the butterfly.
Hmm.
Mm.
If you
Oh,
can,
yeah.
can you guys help me identify this? Because when I looked at, there's so many types of butterfly. By the way,
This is a crimson rose.
this is crimson rose. Okay.
Mm.
But one thing I wanted to say is that there's a particular season in which we get a huge number of butterflies. As you said, I don't know whether they're migrating or whether they are born and bred here or what it is. But suddenly when we sit out in the garden, especially in the month of March or early April, now there are hardly any. But in the month of March and early April, there are different varieties. This is just one, but I see like at least 10 different varieties.
Wow.
This is of course a spider making its huge web. You can see bit of the web also.
Yeah.
Yeah, so beautiful.
Cool.
Wow, it's going across
This
the
is
tree.
cool. Look at that. Like,
Yeah, antennae and
Yeah.
6 feet, right?
no, the web.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, I think you have really good light when you take the photos.
Yeah.
Mm.
No, that's why
That
I'm Nandita is after me when I can get a this SLR camera. This is another view of the same spider.
Mm.
Nice.
That web is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is called a great African
Giant.
snail or a
Mm.
giant African snail.
Mm.
Oh,
It has
are they
come out.
invasive? Are they
Very
invasive?
destructive, very destructive.
Very destructive.
Oh,
They eat up all the plants, the grass. This is on our lawn.
Oh,
wow.
But at night they come out. In the morning you will find them all crawled on our compound wall and
Mm.
all clinging at the top of the
Stuck.
compound, stuck on the top of the compound wall. Then Nandita
So-
and I pluck them out and throw them out.
So I will tell you one story on this. Last December, when we were in India, I visited my very close friend in Badlapur, which is close to Kalyan, Bombay area. He's a farmer. And he says this snail is his biggest headache for
Mm.
all the time. So he actually has employed one guy dedicated to kill these things. That's it.
Absolutely.
So many of them do come there.
Yeah.
Mm.
Even
Mm.
this, when it comes like almost like an army.
Yeah, like some
Correct.
50, 60,
Oh.
100 will be there.
Wow.
Yeah, we just throw them across the. We don't kill them.
We don't
just
kill them, but we throw them
across.
outside onto the road.
Are they edible?
I don't know. I'm not going to try. Next time I can courier them to you.
Sure.
escargot.
Escargot.
French delicacy.
Mm.
This is the
Hey,
This is-
Bharadwaj.
Bharadwaj,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
Indian
this is
coconut.
a view of our compound, and you get a glimpse of where it is.
How do you know
And the
great
chairs that you see just behind the chair is the almond tree.
Mm. Oh, okay. Nice.
This is another photograph of the same bird. I don't know whether you can see it or I need to zoom it.
No, no.
Nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's there, yeah. Nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
No, so Aparna is whispering in my ear that it's a greater Indian kukal.
Greater.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Greater.
correct.
So I asked her why not lesser. She doesn't have an answer.
Array, because
Oh,
greater
okay.
Kukal is
The
Bharadwaj.
big, right?
Yeah.
So they keep changing names. Earlier we used to call it crow pheasant. Now it's called
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah. Yeah.
But you said Bharadwaj, we say that right in Marathi.
Bharadwaj is, yeah, the
Now,
Indian.
can
Yeah.
you spot the bird in the photograph?
Oh yeah, right in the center,
Yeah.
yellow and black.
That's the Oriole.
It's a
Yeah.
golden oriole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's on a tree abutting our compound.
Nice.
Nice. That is beautiful.
That's like a Nilgiri tree or something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
We have a eucalyptus grove.
Eucalyptus,
Yeah,
yeah.
eucalyptus. Huh?
So do these nest here or they are here in winter and they move out?
They are seasonal, but I don't see them every season. It's a very,
It's
very
a
rare sighting.
It's not a very
Mm.
common.
This is, I think we've seen a golden oriole only twice or thrice in the last 7 years.
Mm.
Nice.
Again,
It's
lockdown
very
bird
frequent.
because less people are around.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Again, a view of the golden oriole. It's
Mm.
here. If you see the
Nice.
cursor, it's here.
Yeah.
Mm.
Same bird.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. So you guys have binocs handy, I assume, to look at these birds.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
I have that Audubon recommended Nikon 8x42 or whatever.
Cool.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now let me move on. Okay,
Mm.
now you can see this.
That's a hornbill.
Yes.
Hello.
Wow.
How did you get that fellow here in Bangalore?
अरे इंडियन हॉर्नबिल
नहीं
यार.
नहीं hornbill हो
That's
यार.
ऐसा नहीं है,
the
but Bangalore city के अंदर है ना ये.
Yes.
Every day,
Nice.
every evening at 4:30 when we are having chai, we'll make
In fact, now I've gotten so used to it, I can just by the movement of how because normally they are very silent. I've almost now figured out how they move, and I often tell Nandita, I think the hornbill is back just by seeing how the leaves are moving.
Wow.
Nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Nice pose also. It's like that logo of BNHS, right? Same pose.
But you can see it's not a sharp image because it's again my iPhone
That's
photo.
why I'm telling him to get that whatever SLR.
Mm.
Once you move to the DSLR direction, the expenses keep growing. Okay, just to let you know.
Yeah, there's no end to that.
There's no end to it. Yes.
You can get a basic zoom 70-10 or something.
These are two langurs.
Mm.
Oh wow.
Again,
Wow.
by the way, that langur, that hornbill, and that are all on sort of
Same
the
Nilgiri.
similar trees. They're all trees next to each other.
Mm.
Cool.
Maybe the same tree also. I don't. I think langur and hornbill are the same tree.
Mm.
I think the oriole was a.
Boss, what are they doing?
Why,
Grooming.
one is grooming the other.
Yeah.
This is of course the
Wagtail.
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 Great.
Can you see it?
Pied
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
You
Very
can see
nice.
very well.
Yeah.
Because I can't zoom more than this. This was taken with the zoom on the iPhone, but this is the maximum zoom I could get.
Correct.
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Mm.
Wow.
Oh.
Rat
Wow.
snake. We had a huge rat.
We had a huge
Rattlesnake. Yeah.
Rat
and
snake.
Rat snake.
and this
What
snake
is-
is outside our main door.
Oh my God.
Wow.
What is this? What is this snake called?
Rat snake. They are not
Rat snake.
venomous.
Not
Hmm.
poisonous.
And I was told that these are very useful because they consume at least one rat per day.
Mm.
So
That's why it's rat snake. Okay.
Yeah, so the person was telling us that in a year they will consume say 300-350 rats, which prevents breeding of another 10 rats each. So almost the multiplier effect is that they can control a rat population of like a few thousand.
Mm.
Oh,
Wow.
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 So I'll tell
So
you,
you guys, boss and Nandita, you guys catch this snake or find source to catch this snake or do nothing with it?
I will come to that in the next photo.
Mm.
So
Okay.
how long is this? Like 5 feet or something?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's about
probably-
6 feet.
Probably.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow,
Wow. That's a
that
big.
is cool.
It's a little scary though, right? I mean, you still don't want
Scary.
it to bite you or
Yeah,
something.
yeah, and my
We
problem
didn't
was,
know it was a rat snake, which was not venomous.
Mm.
so
and I was standing behind the main door, behind a glass pane, and taking this photograph,
Mm.
and not knowing whether it's a rat snake.
Oh yeah.
I
Could be
came
a
to know it was
venomous
a rat
cobra
snake.
also.
Yeah, exactly. Now here I can show you.
Mm.
so
got a-
sometimes
we
we
got a
have
snake
rats
guy.
in the attic over here, not rats but mice, and people will call pest control, and they put some poison out, and then they die and they stink.
Mm.
You
What
can see the video.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we can see it.
He called a snake catcher, and then
Mm.
he came and
Oh, I see. What do they do then?
See,
Just
you'll see.
they
Catch
No,
it
then
and
they ca-
put it in
Watch it,
then
no
they
video.
release it in some nearby.
Oh, okay.
He said the same story on my side again about the farmer that I met. He's a very close friend of mine from high school.
So I think this was a very well-fed snake because he's
Yeah.
moving, when this
No,
guy
also
was-
they have the face like they shade the skin. At that time, they don't move.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
this
my
guy
Because
friend
when I was
catch
little, there were a
snake
lot of snakes and cobras, and I used to kill them.
So
Two,
that's
three
the-
Now you
people
can
with
see.
sticks. That time, the only weapon was
Oh.
sticks.
Nice,
Wow. Wow.
nice, very exciting.
And by the way, this was just a few weeks ago.
Huh.
Hey, you
All
have
this like-
exciting life at home in lockdown. also.
Absolutely. Okay, these are some bulbuls.
Mm.
Wow, mast hai. So they make good sound also, right? Bulbuls.
Yeah. We also get good sound from the koel.
Acha.
Oh, okay.
They are hard
And we
to get photographed though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're hard to
Yeah.
photograph.
Now this is I will not. There's no bird over here, but
Mm.
I just wanted to give you a sense of the canna flowers just outside our kitchen window,
Mm.
and you'll suddenly see a whole flock of birds that have come onto this on the next few slides.
Tulips. Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh.
sunbirds.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Mm.
There were about 6 or 7 of these sunbirds that descended on these flowers.
Wow.
But those
I had
trees are so like flimsy, so they are sitting
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Hey, next get together in Bangalore, okay?
AC's
No,
house. Of course.
Yes.
That's why I said that unfortunately I can't show you Everest and all of that. I can only show you what I can click at home.
No, this is more fun than
Yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah.
This is great.
Wow.
wow.
That.
Beautiful. What sunbird is
Purple
it? Purple
sunbird.
sunbird.
Purple.
This is the
Purple.
male.
Yeah.
This is the male, and
These are the
Mm.
female.
Yeah.
You are living in bird sanctuary, looks like.
Wow. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And this,
But-
by the way, even though I've done zoom and all of that, when I clicked the photographs, the birds were probably not more than 5 feet from me.
Mm.
And they are not scared of you.
No, because they
We were
couldn't see me.
inside.
We were inside the
Acha,
kitchen.
Mm.
This is a view from the kitchen window.
Oh.
Yeah, that's nice.
So it perches, huh? It's not like hummingbird which flits about and
Yeah, yeah.
gets
Mm.
nectar.
Power.
But it looks similar to hummingbird.
Mm. Beautiful.
Now here, I don't know whether you can see this bird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is this Bharadwaj again?
No.
No.
This is a bird of prey.
Is it?
Oh, wow.
No. I
No,
leave it to
small.
Ganja and Aparna to guess. I know what it is, but
I don't know.
Show a better picture.
can you
Ganj.
see it? Guess. Can you see it now?
No.
That's a
Can't
cuckoo.
see. Where? Is it?
Yeah, right in the middle with the long
Right
tail.
in the center.
Oh, that's a yellow-billed or a black-billed cuckoo.
No.
No.
No?
I don't.
Ganj, the tide is turning around because
Oh,
Ganj
yeah,
keeps
yeah, I
asking me
know
that
what it is.
stupid
I know
What is
question.
it?
I know what it is.
Aparna says she knows what it is, but she's looking for the bird book.
Okay, it's a tree pie.
Tree pie.
Yeah. Rufous tree pie.
Rufous tree pie.
Yeah.
And by the way, these also come in. We see. I think Nandita saw at least 6 or 7 of them on the same thing. A couple of few days last
Wow,
week.
you get Rufous tree pies. Nice.
And I think that this basically. one
Nice.
minute.
Beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Boss, time to invest money in DSLR.
Absolutely. I don't know whether it's an investment, but
No, the return will be our photos to us. Yeah.
Correct.
now
Wow. This is beautiful.
1 minute. Let me see whether that. Yeah, I think that was the last bird one. So now I started with
Sunrise.
sunrise, but let me and now I just want to digress a bit.
Oh, look at them.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
Wow, look at the number of birds there.
Mm.
Okay, now this is not taken during the lockdown, but just before the lockdown started. This
Mm.
is a lake. This is a lake which is about 3 miles from our house.
Okay.
Okay,
It attracts a lot of
it
water birds.
attracts a lot of water birds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is
Saturday
fish in
evenings
there.
we go there and-
So in addition to the birds that we showed you in the earlier photographs, when we sit on the lawn, we
Mm.
see many of these water birds flying overhead.
Mm.
Because they're sunset, sunrise, we see them going somewhere or the other. We see ibises,
Mm.
cormorants,
Pelicans. This lake has
pelicans.
lots of
This lake has a lot of pelicans.
Wow, pelicans.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's only about 3 miles, so it takes us about 10 minutes to drive down there.
Yeah, I used to live near a lake when I was a kid, so it reminds me of that. Same, all those birds used to be there.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is another view of the same lake.
Mm.
If I zoom, you will not get clarity. That's the
Yeah.
problem. So that's why.
No, no,
But we have, of course, different types of ducks also. Herons, grey heron.
Grapes, lapwings.
I think even painted storks.
Yeah, painted storks we saw
Yeah.
when we went. Kabhi 2000.
Oh, this view is nice. Feels like we are there. So.
Oh, this is a nice photo.
Mm.
Yeah. So these are two guys who come every day. They cast their net and then they collect their catch.
Ah,
We see them every time we've gone. We've seen them in a coracle. Basically, they are
Coracle.
floating in a
Yeah,
coracle.
coracle. Yeah.
So the birds have their area and these people have their area. They're coexisting. Mm.
Yeah.
Coracle. Yeah.
You see a heron, I think.
Yeah,
That's a
that's
grey.
Mm.
that's
Grey
the
or
grey heron or purple.
grey or
Yeah.
purple. Grey must be grey, mostly
Yeah.
grey.
We also see moon hens and all of that. Of course, all those. What are those other? Then those the birds that walk on stilts.
Yeah. Sandpipers and stilts.
Yeah.
Sandpiper.
There's no. It's not a sandy bay. This thing lake. I mean, it's all. And it's urbanized. I mean, this is in a actually technically.
It's just fine. Like it's hardly just off the national highway.
Yeah, it's off the highway to Chennai.
Oh, okay. Nice. Wow. That's an egret there.
Yeah. And this is the sunset. We started with sunrise, of course, sunset over the lake.
Oh, nice.
And of course, after sunset comes the moonrise.
Nice. Very nice. Very nice.
And this is, of course,
Officially, you're supposed to be sleeping.
Yes.
Boss, officially, you're supposed to be sleeping.
So you know who took the picture. No, but actually he did. I wasn't here at this time.
So this is all during the lockdown, except those lake photographs which are just before the lockdown. All the others are locked.
Yeah.
So this is the moonrise behind our house.
Nice. Very
Beautiful.
nice. Beautiful. Yeah.
So that concludes my show and tell for today.
hey,
Really good.
Wow.
Yeah. Very nice.
Beautiful. Really, really nice.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Excellent. Very nice.
Means you have real eye for things because normally at home we don't pay attention to such things.
Yeah.
I had nothing to do. This is retired life. No tension, no worry. Sit and observe nature.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm also in a retired.
I
I'm also in a
take
retired life.
photographs of caterpillars and all that.
I'm also in a retired life. I also do my walking, but apart from looking at cement sidewalk, I don't see anything else.
Look up.
Correct. That's what I had to do.
Cool, man.
So you guys are welcome to come to Bangalore once travel starts.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely fantastic.
Now you just doubled the motivation.
Actually, there are a lot of lakes in Bangalore. Bangalore is also a city of lakes. You must have read about half the lakes being polluted and drying up and all of that. But people are trying to conserve some of them and converting many into these bird sanctuaries.
nice.
Yeah.
Like the lake I told you is not a protected lake, which I showed you.
Mm.
It is still like, not really taken care of by anybody.
So is Rangantittu a lake or a canal or?
No, that's a river.
Kaveri.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
The Kaveri.
Yeah,
See, the
yeah.
Kaveri River bifurcates into two parts and goes around an island. The island is called Srirangapatna, which was Tipu Sultan's
Tipu
fort.
Sultan's. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, yeah. Oh.
Okay, and so where the river branches is where this Rangantittu is.
Okay.
Oh,
And where it
Srirangapatna
rejoins is called Sangam.
Okay.
Oh.
Is
So
it also a city of
Srirangapatna is
gardens?
a island.
Srirangapatna is an island.
Oh,
Yeah, Bangalore, city of gardens, city of lakes also. We have lots
Okay.
of lakes.
Nice.
Though earlier it used to be many more lakes. If you look at the Bangalore railway station and bus stand, the Bangalore Kantirva Stadium, which is the indoor athletic stadium, and many other of these monuments are all built on erstwhile lakes.
Hmm.
mm.
Interesting.
Because it's also a city of valleys and not, I won't say hills, but it's not flat. It's all up and down.
Mm.
So they've got something called Koramangala Valley, Challagatta Valley. All of them are, because we are nowhere near the ocean, so all the rainwater has to flow somewhere.
Okay.
Oh.
It is on the plateau, right? On the Deccan
Yeah,
plateau, right? It's not.
yeah.
It's not at sea level.
No, we are
No, we are on the
2,700 feet above sea level.
Oh,
Hmm.
that's a yeah.
So where did you grow up, Arun? In
Well, I was born in Bombay.
okay.
Moved to Hyderabad. My class 6 to 12 was Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So then, of course, IIT.
Mm.
Okay.
And Nandita, where
I'm
were
from
you
Bandra.
earlier?
And Mumbai.
So you
Oh,
are from Mumbai.
Mm.
So Bangalore is kind of a new city for you. I mean, not your young age
Oh,
city, but you
career.
moved when
Yeah.
you settled down around now.
Adult life city.
Yeah.
Mm.
When did you move to
Karma
Bangalore?
Bhumi.
Like after 85 or whatever? Like when did you?
I came here in 1990.
Okay.
And then Nandita came in 91 when we got married.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
So it's a Karma Bhumi, Janma Bhumi is Bombay.
Yeah.
And how long you have been in this house?
About seven
7
years.
Wow, you got really nice
We
garden
come to
within
this,
7.
this house we live only on weekends.
Acha, acha. Last time you were going there to water and stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
During the week we live in the city.
We used to live in a suburb called Koramangala. We still live there. I come here on like Thursdays. Like right now we are in this house, which I
Ah,
showed the photographs. Because it's the
maybe you
weekend.
can show us like a little bit outside right now. It's okay. if possible.
It's pitch dark. It's pitch
Oh,
dark.
it's
yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
But even in lockdown, you've been doing the commute city to here, or you just been in one place?
He was doing this.
Only I was doing. Only one person was allowed.
Allowed means he got a pass to travel, because otherwise we were the gardeners and all, they had completely
No
stopped.
maids, no gardeners.
No maids, no guards. So we
no
had to
drivers,
come to
nothing.
water the plant. I mean, water it. Otherwise, it would have all just dried out.
Yeah.
Oh,
He was coming.
It's
4-5
still going on or you're okay now?
No.
now we are-
Now it's back to.
Now everything is back.
Good.
Everything is back to. I wouldn't say 100% normal, but yeah. Even the malls and all have started opening up.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Except schools, cinemas, and some one or two other things. Everything else has
Yeah.
started opening up. As long as they maintain social distancing.
Okay. Yeah, I work with people in Broadcom there, and they say 25% people. So once a month they go, like 1 week they work at office and otherwise home.
Beautiful.
Mm.
oh,
Nice.
Very nice.
Wow, it was a surprise also, right? We were expecting some travel photos. So it's exactly opposite of that, but it's so beautiful.
It is beautiful.
No, because this actually made me go back and look at our old photographs, saying that what
Yeah.
can I share? Because of course we've been to many of these interesting places, but they're all touristy,
Yeah.
like Greece, Egypt, Turkey,
Mm.
Bhutan, all of these places, Spain, all of these places. But what I'll share, you guys can anyway look up in. Would have been there, or you would have been,
Yeah.
All I a lot of photographs from California, which I don't need to show you. Boston, Maine, Connecticut, or whatnot.
No, this is
Central
really
Park.
good. This is
Yeah.
really
Yeah,
nice.
Very
Central
nice.
Park.
Perfect.
Good.
Okay, great.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice. So next week, hopefully, SC will bring us our IIT memories back.
Naito Patya and Neeta will say something.
Yeah.
I was thinking, do any of you all play tabla?
No.
No.
Good. then I can give a yeah, if SC is not doing, then I'll do a little
Okay, good.
tabla. I'm not going to play for you, but just
Hey, you know Mahesh, na?
yeah, Mahesh plays. Mahesh Mandare
Yeah,
plays.
Mahesh is in right now in Texas anyway.
Yeah, he's probably in Dallas. He's at TI,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Be in Dallas.
Mahesh
last
is on
couple
my
of years.
Facebook friend,
Oh, okay.
and I watch his bird photographs. He's
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
Yeah, his
Mandare-
photography is really excellent. He
Very
also places he goes and yeah.
So Mahesh and Lele and us, we used to meet once a year or twice a year,
Okay.
usually for some.
Nice.
Yeah, I meet Mahesh in the design automation conference, but of course this year it's all virtual. So
No, when Ashutosh said tabla, I remembered because Mahesh
Yeah.
is a
Yeah,
oh, okay, okay, cool.
he plays well.
His
Maybe we
daughter
should-
is in
Rice University.
His daughter is
Okay.
in Rice.
in Rice.
Right, Mahesh's daughter studies in Rice University.
Okay.
So maybe he comes to Houston once in a while.
No, he stays there now.
In
No,
Houston.
Oh,
in
to
Dallas.
say he's in Dallas, correct.
Yeah.
Dallas, yeah. Yeah, TI is mainly in Dallas, yeah. But Rice is in Houston, right? So daughter is there.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yeah, so you might be coming to drop her or see her.
Okay.
So now we can't wait for when travel opens up.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
See you all
Yeah.
next
Yeah.
week.
Nice.
Nice, Nandita and Arun.
Thank you.
Nice.
Great, Arun, Nandita. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.